So in your Microsoft Word, you can create this checkered flag in different colors. After selecting this, you can simply change the color also from here. Like the way you can white and different color combinations. You can create these types of flags. So I'll show you how to create this using keyboard shortcut. So first step is you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see this is the number lock. You must press number lock. Now you have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127937. So after typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that the symbol like this have been added, and after that you can select this, and in your Microsoft Word you can adjust the color combination from here. For more videos you can subscribe.